Hello! I know that the title and the thumbnail made you click on this video, and now you must be wondering if this is just another clickbait video that is going to tell you about some scammy work from home opportunity. Well, trust me, this is not the case. The opportunity that I'm going to talk to you about today has helped 4,000 people in my academy build legit online careers. So if you're excited about this, then keep on watching. I'm going to give you all the details. You see, whenever you go and type work from home on YouTube, thousands and thousands of videos open up. A lot of them, a majority of them, often talk about opportunities like affiliate marketing, multi-level marketing or MLMs, or they talk about data entry. And while these jobs may have made money for some people, in reality, they bring you more problems than any kind of money or career opportunities. So the thing is that work from home jobs have gotten this very scammy tag associated with it because of these type of opportunities. So what are the work from home jobs that can actually help you build a long-term career? That's what we're going to discuss today. You see, work from home jobs are like any other jobs in the world. There are some really good ones, and then there are some shady, scammy ones. And the shady, scammy ones are the ones that get a lot of attention because they seem easy to execute. But the problem is that once you get into it, you will hit a career dead end very, very soon. So how do you identify these good opportunities? The good ones often have these factors. Number one, they are from an area that is exciting and interesting for you. They actually make you utilize skills that are generally of interest to you. Number two, they are in an industry that is growing and is going to flourish in the future. Why enter an industry that's dying anyway? And number three, they are the kind of jobs that require hard skills. Because you see, any job that does not require skills can easily be replaced by a piece of computer or like a software or anything. And getting into that again is a pure waste of your time. So if you're looking to build a good work from home career that's going to make you big money, give you opportunities and give you career fulfillment, then you should look at an opportunity that is not just not scammy, but is also exciting, interesting and future-proof. So in today's video, I'm going to talk to you about one such high-quality work from home opportunity that is starting to pick a lot of steam in India. So what exactly is this opportunity that I'm talking about? It's called virtual assisting. And no, I'm not asking you to become a robot. This has nothing to do with virtual reality. Virtual assisting is a very, very interesting space, and there's a reason why this is picking up in India. For this, let's back up to 2020 and let's look at everything that has happened in the world. You see, in 2020, the pandemic happened. And because of the pandemic, a lot of people, almost all of us, were forced to work from home. And when people were forced to work from homes, a lot of people actually turned into entrepreneurs because they had a lot of time in their hand. They were not able to go out, travel or do any other recreational activities. A lot of people used this time to start online businesses. And now that these small businesses have grown up a little bit because of the last 1 year of hard work and effort, they are now at a position where they want to hire people. And usually the first hire that these online businesses make is that of a virtual assistant. A virtual assistant is essentially anybody who comes in as the right-hand person for an entrepreneur. For example, let's say I started a business and my business is selling candles online. I love making candles and I want to sell that online. Now for me as an entrepreneur, selling candles may seem like a small thing. Like, yeah, I just have to open a store and sell candles. But there are so many tasks involved in the process. I have to market myself. I have to show up on social media. I have to keep a stock of my inventory. I have to run my website. I have to take orders. I have to pack. I have to ship. I have to do customer support. So much, right? And this is just the tip of the iceberg. So entrepreneurs today who started their businesses in 2020 are overburdened with a lot of activities like these. And the first person they hire is a virtual assistant, and this person comes in and takes off whatever responsibilities that the entrepreneur is willing to give up. So if I, as a candle business owner, would want to hire a virtual assistant, I would probably bring in someone who can take care of my social media, who can run my ads, who can ensure my marketing, email marketing, customer support, and all of that. And you see, all of these activities don't require a person to be placed right next to me. This person can be sitting somewhere in the US, this person could be chilling at a beach in Bali, or this person could be having the time of their life probably sitting in the Himalayas. As long as they have access to the internet, it doesn't matter where they are. And that's exactly why becoming a virtual assistant today is such an exciting opportunity. So now that you know exactly who a virtual assistant is, let me go ahead and answer some of the questions that I know must be popping up in your head right now. Number one, what skills are required for you to become a virtual assistant? You see, virtual assistant is a very generalist role. role. And it depends from entrepreneur to entrepreneur. You may join a candle making business, you could join a freelancer or a coach, you could join a YouTuber as a virtual assistant, you could join basically any entrepreneur out there. And depending on which entrepreneur or which industry you're working in, you will get an opportunity to do tasks that are specific to that industry. And as a virtual assistant, you don't necessarily have to work with just one business. You can work with multiple businesses. You could be helping an e-commerce company in the morning, and you could be working with a YouTuber in the evening. Completely depends on you, and that way you get to explore multiple industries as well. So some basic responsibilities that you will be handling as a virtual assistant is, of course, email management, because entrepreneurs get a lot of emails and it takes a lot of time for them to get back to all of those. So that. Number 2, calendar management, making sure that the calendar of the person is well organized and optimized. Number 3, social media management, content management, blogs, all of that stuff, right? Basically a lot of marketing, a lot of communication, and a lot of organization. As long as you bring these 3 skills in, you'll be a really good virtual assistant. Next, how much can you get paid as a VA? And that's where things get really exciting. You see, work from home opportunities like data entry, affiliate marketing, whatever that I spoke about in the beginning, can make you some 20,000-30,000 rupees a month, if at all that is the case, in case you end up going to a place that is non-scammy, and that's very, very rare. But an opportunity like a virtual assistant can make you easily 50,000 to 1 to 1.5 lakhs per month, very, very easily. And this can happen by putting in just about 4 to 5 hours of work in a day. Of course, the range is very big right now because it would depend on what industry you go in, with what type of entrepreneur you work with, how much responsibility you are able to take up, and a lot of other things. But basically, it is possible for you to make this level of money just by working a couple of hours in a day. Now, I know all of this sounds really exciting, but I'm going to tell you something that is even more exciting. Virtual assisting is an opportunity that a lot of people have absolutely no clue about. They don't even know that this industry exists. And yet, there are hundreds and hundreds of opportunities, job opportunities for virtual assistants that are posted on the internet every single day. You see, people are looking for VAs, but they're not finding good ones. And if you can come in and pitch yourself as a good VA, chances are that you will be able to establish yourself very, very quickly. You see, there's very little competition in this industry right now. And if you get started today, it'll probably be the best career decision that you take for yourself. So all of this may be sounding really overwhelming to you, but wait, I'm here to help. I'm here to give you a complete step-by-step roadmap on how you can get started as a virtual assistant today, even if you have absolutely no background at all. Whether you're a working professional, a homemaker, or a student, if you have just about an hour or 2 hours in a day to spare, virtual assisting will be a great side hustle for you to start with. And I can give you the exact roadmap with my course, The 6-Figure VA Formula. This program gives you end-to-end roadmap that anyone needs to start as a virtual assistant and scale up to a point where they make 6-figure income every month. So what exactly will be covered in this course? In this course, we're going to teach you every little thing. We'll start off with understanding who a VA is in detail with every minute information you need. We'll then understand exactly what are the skills that are needed for you to become a VA. We'll then talk about different specializations that you can get in as a virtual assistant, and then we'll end this by understanding the different kind of pay packages that you can have as a virtual assistant. From there, we'll deep dive and we'll get into the skill aspect of becoming a VA. Anybody can become a virtual assistant today, but doesn't mean all of them are going to be the good ones. Only the good ones thrive in any industry no matter what. So to become a good VA, you will need to have all the skills. So we'll teach you both the soft skills as well as the hard skills in the course. Soft skills would include things like communication, writing, email management, calendar management, and a lot of other things that are essential for a VA to know. And then in hard skills, we'll teach you things like social media management. No matter who your client, how will you manage their social media? What will be the strategy behind it? YouTube channel management. A lot of entrepreneurs will hire you to manage their YouTube channels, and you should be able to do that effectively. We'll teach you podcast management, email marketing, and every other marketing aspect that is expected of a virtual assistant. We'll teach you all of that. Even if you're a complete beginner and you don't have any idea about any of these skills, you can come with an absolute blank slate and we will teach you every little thing. And after you have all the skills in place is where we'll deep dive and we'll understand exactly how to find clients as well. We'll teach you the process of getting clients, building your portfolio, establishing your personal brand, reaching out to people, getting onto calls, and complete end-to-end management of how to find high-ticket clients who will be willing to pay you big money. Now I know you must be wondering, this sounds like a pretty intense course. How much can it be? Is it going to be very, very expensive? The answer is a very simple no. None of the courses that I launch as a part of Hustle First Academy are expensive because I want to make these things affordable for people. So this program is currently priced at just 3499 rupees, in which you will get access to the whole course. You will get access to a Facebook group where you can interact with other members of the course, so that you have your own community, and you will get email access to me. You can drop me an email any time of the day and I can solve all the questions and all the problems for you. So this sounds like a steal of a deal, right? There is a link in the description box below. Go ahead and check it out. All the details will be available for you there. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. If you'd like to book a call with somebody from my team to know more about the program, the link for that also is in the description box below. And I can't wait to see you inside the program. I'll see you there, and I can't wait to see you become a successful virtual assistant. Bye bye.